Hey everyone, welcome back to class. Today's lesson is all about making your web pages come alive by embedding video and audio directly into your site using plain HTML. Let's dive right in. In HTML, we use the audio tag, this one up here, to embed sounds like music, podcast, or sound effects. So I'm going to write the basic syntax for you now. Alright, so yeah, we have audio, then we have controls. This control is what is giving the audio ability to display on the browser, and also have the volume, play and pause. Then we can add other controls to it like autoplay, loop and muted. So if I run this on the browser now I have my source, search, then the name of the audio, then the type of the audio, type is audio, then the file extension is the one beside it here, MPEG. We have MP3. If your audio is MP4, it must be MP4. If your audio is MP2, the name .mp2. Alright, so and we have another text below here. Your browser does not support the audio element. This is going to only display when the browser can't see the audio. Alright, so let's go. Let me run this. Now you can see that the volume here is muted. So if you play this, it's playing like this, but you can't hear it. But if you unmute it, coming over in my direction, so thankful for that, it's such a blessing, yeah, in every situation in heaven. Alright, let's go to video. Okay, alright, here's the video. The tag for the video is almost the same. The difference is we're having video as the open tag and video as the close tag. Then we have controls for playing and volume and pausing. Then we have other controls here like autoplay, loop, mute, and also we have poster, which is not in our audio. Your video need a poster. You can decide to put, or you might not put a poster, but putting a poster is like your thumbnail that's going to show as the picture before the user plays the video. So, and also we have source, then search. You're going to input the video name with the extension. So I save the video in my folder as vidtest.mp4. mp4 is the extension. Alright, and we have type video mp4. So let me run the video now. Let's see. Alright, you can see the video first show a picture, then it automatically plays. So if I remove the autoplay now, let's see the reaction. Alright, here we do not have autoplay, so let me run this. So here you can see, but it's too big, so we can deal with the size. So now if I click on play, it starts playing. So let's deal with the size. So if you want to deal with the size of your video, you just put it immediately after the video. Yes, immediately after the video, you just have your words and your size. So you write this. So you can choose any words you want, but I want to use 320. Then you can write your height. You can choose any height you want, 240, depending on the screen you are working on. Depending on the screen, if you want to build a website for a laptop now, you need to use a bigger size. You understand? You are building for a tab, the size is different. So let me run this. Alright, we have this size now. You can see if I play this video now, you can't hear anything because we mute it. So if you unmute it now, and you can download. You have playback speed also, so you can pause and play for your audio also. So awesome, now you know how to add both audio and video to your website using HTML. Alright, our practice tasks: create an audio player with autoplay and loop only. Then create a video player using controls, poster, and also resizing it to a good size. Next class, we will learn how to use web pages together using navigation menus. See you there.